Hi everyone! New ways to launch meme coins are constantly emerging, and if you see the screen right now, it's pure chaos. New tokens are being released every minute, and another one just launched a few minutes ago. In this video, I'll show you a new approach to launching meme coins on Solana. There aren't many methods like this yet, so I'll explain in detail how it differs from standard meme coin launches and show you everything using my own project as an example. Let me clarify, I'm a detailee. This is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. Everything I talk about is my personal opinion and experience working with the market. As a developer who actively studies the Solana ecosystem, I'm experimenting with a meme coin launch format that allows for instant traffic and attention. Without influencers, without Discord rates, without paid advertising, it sounds unusual, but this method works very effectively for me. In the video, I will show you step by step launching a token on Solana, its appearance on DEX screener, real-time token trading. Be sure to watch until the end. There I explain in detail how this new meme coin launch format works for me, why it attracts market attention, and why I think this feature is really cool. Okay, first we need this platform. I'll leave a link to this website in the video description. When you create a token through services like this, the coin automatically appears on all trackers like DexScreener and Axioma. Now I go to the DexScreener and select any stable token that's currently popular. This is necessary to attract more buyers and ensure solid trading volume for my meme coin. Great, I found a token, just a random and well-known option. Now click Create Token, I copy the image, name and ticker. I'm currently launching 1 billion tokens, but the supply doesn't really matter. Now I enter any description, it could be funny or a little more detailed. And now, the most important part, a new feature. We will replace the information about the token creator. More precisely, we will specify a different large Solana wallet. Yes, this is a new tool. I can replace the data about the token developer. This information changes in the smart contract metadata, but don't worry, you will still be the real owner. This service primarily displays newly created meme coins and basic information about their creator's wallet. There are dozens of similar platforms that are monitored around the clock by thousands of traders, investors, and automated sniper bots. Our task is to find a creator's wallet with a large Solana balance. Next, a token is launched with minimal liquidity, for example, just 3 Solana. This is enough for the token to appear on all similar services. There it can be immediately noticed by buyers. At the same time, the creator's wallet, which holds a significant amount of Solana, is publicly displayed. Experienced traders instantly pay attention to this. When the market sees tokens launched in this way, the assumption arises that the developer deliberately added minimal liquidity so that the right traders or influencers could enter at a low price. After that, according to market expectation, the developer will add the entire volume of Solana to the liquidity pool, and then the token fly to the moon. Look, this is a perfect example. The creator launched a token with low liquidity, but his wallet held a large amount of Solana. Any buyer could purchase this meme token at a very low price for about 20 minutes, and then this token went to the moon. Today I will create a meme coin that will look the same to buyers. Well, I found a wallet that contains a lot of Solana. I take the wallet address and insert here. I choose all this because it increases interest for traders. Okay, for the meme coins to appear everywhere, including DEX screener, we need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap, this is a new feature on Pump.Fun, or on Radium, or right here on the platform by activating this option. Specify how much Solana and how many of your tokens you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be removed. This is exactly what we will do. We will withdraw liquidity back after traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on this platform. I have already launched many tokens here. Look, I opened the liquidity pool section. All my tokens are profitable. I created all my meme coins using this new method. Okay, I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add slightly less, for example, 1 Solana. I already launched many tokens using this strategy, and the highest profit is when the liquidity is around 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it also works fine. Okay, now enter how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding approximately 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% fee and that's it. Now paste my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the true owner. Now click launch token and I see a confirmation window. I need to send Solana to this address, this liquidity pool, and the fee for creating a token. Okay, I made the transaction. Now click check transaction and boom, I see my meme coin address. Now click on the address and Solana opens. I copy paste my meme coin address. Now I copy the token address. Then go to the deck screen and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with our own token. Okay, good. We see our token on deck screen. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start purchasing. Now, deck screen displays equity amount twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Okay, I see the first trade. Trading has started. Now I'm just watching the token being bought and traded in real time. Meme coins on Solana are trading again, and with them, new shiny methods are emerging. Bull markets often see the emergence of rapid strategies that produce noticeable results in the short term, but their effectiveness is usually short-lived. Therefore, such examples should be viewed as a temporary market phenomena, not as a surefire formula for success. Well, I'll just accelerate the video and let's see what happens in. Look, sniper bots have appeared, executing multiply buys, sometimes in chunks up to 5 Solana. The movement is intense, buyers are coming in fast and trading volume has surged. Just look, it's insane. So great trading, so great buyers. Okay, if I take liquidity now, I will get about 10 Solana. This good profit. Well, now open the liquidity pool page and check my portfolio. I can see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, I just click remove liquidity. Select 100% and click remove liquidity. All the coins will return to the wallet and the meme coin rack pool will complete. It's removed and the token is arrived. And on this service, you don't need to sign any transactions because the service handles the token for you via smart contract. But don't worry, you are the real owner. Okay, I click remove and that's it. The liquidity is removed and the token is wrapped. Here we can see it on the black screener. Around 13 Solanas is a strong result, and experience has shown that many meme coins have shown a comparable pattern over time. But to understand that some players can easily engineer conditions for a rapid liquidity drain. This video is for educational purposes only. The goal is to help you identify dangerous indicators and avoid scams. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the upcoming video.